An exhibition is not just a showcase. It is a market where the winner is not the one who just showed up, but the one who came with a plan. Alina came prepared and signed a contract. You could be next. Successful participation starts months in advance. The goal, the budget, the team, the stand, the meetings. If you don't think about it in advance, you risk getting lost among the others. Therefore, study the market and partner in advance. Determine the purpose of participation. Calculate the budget and logistics. Send invitations to clients. Print out handouts. A stand is not just banners. It is people, emotions, and communication. The way you communicate determines whether a business card will remain just paper or the beginning of a contract. Recruit staff with the language of your target market. Test your presentations and equipment. Write out communication scripts and keep business cards and samples on display. You'll have 30 seconds to hook them. Who you are, what you do, and why it's beneficial to the client. This isn't sales, it's an invitation to continue the conversation. Don't be passive at an exhibition. Your energy, openness, and readiness are more important than the decor. And most importantly, put away your phone. The most common mistakes at the exhibition: no preparation or communication scenarios, lack of materials, lack of foreign language staff, ignoring business cards and contacts. The exhibition is over, but for you, it's just beginning. Write, send, record. A contact without a follow-up is just a business card collecting dust. Collect all contacts in a separate table, write a thank you letter, call, and make a plan for working with the client. Alina went for the first time, but she was ready. And now her products are sold in 3 countries. It's not luck, it's a system. Get ready to. Don't improvise. Download guides, templates, and instructions from our website and let your next trip be the beginning of your export story.